Hi, I'm Jorge Ferrer from Sailboat Testing Technologies. Today, we are here to talk about tilt testing. Tilt test is a trending topic in fields like the packaging industry or the IT world. With e-commerce, global distribution routes, and new data centers appearing all over the world, the need to ensure safety is greater than ever. Tilt testing is a useful tool to understand the limitations of a load when held at a specific angle during a designated period of time or knowing its tipping point. Tilt test can look quite simple, but as with any other test, following procedure and using the right tool is crucial. When the load is tilted, the tilting motion can be considered as a horizontal acceleration. For example, 0.5 Gs is already enough to damage the load. There are two possible objectives that a lab tech may want to accomplish with a tilt test. Verification, that is to check the load is able to resist a chosen angle and its equivalent acceleration, and characterization, which is to know the maximum angle or acceleration the load is able to support before deforming. With tilt testing, companies can detect weaknesses, improve their packaging or products, and comply with main standards. For example, here we have one of our equipments for tilt testing. With it, we can comply with standards such as EN 12195 or DIN 55415. There are primitive ways to carry out tilt testing. However, these results are extremely difficult to replicate and do not provide accurate load deformation analysis. Our InTilt family guarantees accuracy and repeatability. This electrical model can set the test speed and even measure deformations. And when paired with our Envision system, which uses a high-speed camera and an innovative software, we can easily measure load deformations. Let's talk about the test itself. We can divide the procedure in 3 steps. 1. The sample load is placed on the InTilt platform and secured. 2. Using our user-friendly controller, the load is tilted up to a certain chosen angle for verification, or for characterization, the load can be tilted until it deforms or fails. And 3. Once this test is completed, the load and measurements must be checked in order to know if the deformation is within the set acceptable limits, and confirm if the load passes or not. Find out how can the InTilt be a valuable tool for your organization. Contact us and let's talk about your project.